What's going on, guys? My name is Mike and this is all about pressure washing, and today we're going to talk about why it's time to ball up and raise your prices. But before we get into that, are you ready to get off the truck but just don't know how to do it? If so, you need to click on the first link in the comment section and the description below, which is going to take you to a landing page so you can sign up for more information on the course that is going to show you step by step how to achieve that goal. This course has taken 20 years of my experience and condensed it into an easily digestible value pack curriculum that will cut your learning curve by years. I'm going to show you exactly how I run my $1 million pressure washing business from my office. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about raising your prices. Look, we all talk about setting goals for ourselves and our companies. We talk about the quality of the work, the customer service experience, the professionalism that we display, our equipment, how proud we are of it. That's all awesome, right? But it's meaningless unless your business is sustainable, your business is profitable, and your business has the ability to scale. So we're not talking about pressure washing today. We're focusing on my landscape business because at the beginning of this year, I made the decision to raise all of our prices by 20%. Our customers have two options to choose from as far as the service levels that we provide. They can choose either the all-inclusive package or the basic package. These are both 12-month agreements, and each package is priced based on the individual property, but all customers are billed monthly. We visit each property 38 times per year. If you take the monthly price, to keep it simple, say it's $250. Multiply that by 12 and divide by 38. That is your per visit price, which in that case is $79 per visit. So like I said, I raised prices by 20% and notified all accounts that this was taking place when they received their invoice for last December. It was just a quick note saying that we were raising prices with a brief explanation. I tried to minimize the impact by giving them a per visit increase instead of a yearly or monthly number. This also gave me the opportunity to reintroduce our 10% discount if they wanted to prepay for a 12-month period. This incentivizes them to reduce the 20% increase by half. Regardless, I have to admit I was a little concerned that we would lose a handful of customers. I was worried that maybe our customers didn't see the same value that I did. Maybe they didn't care if it was us that was taking care of their property, that the length of our relationship didn't warrant a price increase. I know what value we offer, and our customers appreciate that hard work, and I had the confidence in my business and our service that I increased my prices by 20% overnight. We only lost one customer, and that wasn't really such a bad thing. So what's the point of this video? It's about having the confidence, it's about having the courage, it's about knowing your worth, not only personally, but from a business standpoint. At the beginning of the video, we talked about your equipment, your uniforms, the professionalism your company displays on a daily basis, the quality of work that you perform at every property you step on, your customer service, and all of these things are of value, not only at helping your business continue to grow, but they are of value to your customer. These are the things that keep them coming back week after week, month after month, and year after year. Your customers see the value that you provide. In most cases, they're willing to pay you for that, and if they don't, replace them with somebody that does. We're not a nonprofit business. We are a for-profit business, and I am not ashamed of that at all. And depending on what your end game is, whether it's to grow your business, eventually get off the truck and manage it as opposed to working in it every day, or is it to add another crew or maybe even sell it? These things can only happen when you have a profitable business. If you're not charging accordingly, your business will never grow to the point where you have enough money to scale, to add trucks, to add equipment, to implement the systems that are going to make your business more efficient so you can be more profitable. The bottom line, know your worth. Know your value. Don't be afraid to charge accordingly. Your time is so valuable. Your time is something you're never going to be able to get back. Another thing to think about, there is no reason to ever throw something in just because the customer asks for it. Hey, if it's a 5-minute task, that's different. That's just doing a little extra, which goes a long way with the customer. But if it's a bigger job that's going to take time, you need to set the expectation with all customers that we're not in the freebie business, but we'd be more than happy to address anything that they need, but there's going to be an additional charge for it. Just like when they go to a restaurant, just because they ordered a meal doesn't mean they get a free drink. There is nothing free in this world. There is no better time than to raise your prices right now. Be confident in yourself. Be confident in your service. I hope this video helped, and I hope you have a great day.